The Florida housing market is different from many areas in the country, yet we do have some similarities, which is that workforce or affordable housing is extremely scarce. Well, I will guide you through where our housing market on the Treasure Coast is and provide you information for you to decide if this might be a good time to buy a home. Well, real estate is what everybody talks about. However, some only report what they hear. They don't know exactly what is happening. So in this video, I will tell you if it's the right time to buy. No matter what real estate market we are in, people do buy and sell homes. It's knowing what is going on that makes a difference in making a really good housing decision. Well, if you are new to my channel, I am Maria Wells and I live on the Treasure Coast of Florida, and I would love for you to subscribe and hit the bell to receive my videos that are released weekly. I fill it with lots of real estate information. And if you have any questions or anything that I can help you with in the purchase of buying or selling real estate, please comment below and I promise I will get right back to you. So let's talk about the housing numbers for a moment, and let's use Martin County as our base for numbers. So in Martin County, our single family home median price is $570,000, and that is as of April 2023. Well, this reflects about an 8% decrease at the same time last year, so that would have been April of 2022. However, look at this chart. You can see there have been strong increases, and this dip is not bringing prices down significantly. We are seeing some price decreases, but our market remains pretty strong. I know that median price is a little scary for many. However, I want you to remember median price means half of the houses are higher priced and half of the homes are lower priced. Well, our inventory is about 2.9 months, with the majority of the listings sitting at about 600,000 to over $1 million, or possibly more, as you can see in this chart. 2.9 months is what we have hovered around for almost a year, and that's still not a lot of inventory, making it a somewhat balanced market, but it's still leaning more towards a seller if they have a great home to sell. A lot of the inventory that remains on the market are the homes that need a lot of work or possibly a new roof, which is a big thing in Florida. The well-kept homes are selling, and here's another video on the insurance crisis in Florida which explains this issue. Well, for the housing market, the more north you go, the less the housing costs. So for instance, if you are in Palm Beach, those homes are higher priced than in Martin County. And St. Lucie County, a little bit more north of Martin County, those homes are also a little less than it is in Martin County. However, each area has many different attractions to offer, making the price of the home sometimes workable due to your need. Now, you need to understand that in Martin County, our property taxes are lower than either community north and south of us. Now, buyers are still financing, and you can see in this chart that yes, about 53% of buyers are paying cash, but that's a lot of buyers who are financing too. So the bottom line is this: until we can get more inventory, prices are not going to come down. Many sellers are hanging on to their homes too because they're paying about a 3 to 4% interest rate, and they're not willing to sell and jump to a higher interest rate at this time, which is constraining the housing market as well. Well, in addition, if you are considering purchasing a home, make sure that you know the true property tax rate and insurance rates. One other thing is the maintenance of a home. Are you prepared for some of those expenses? Well, according to Home Advisor, about a quarter of the respondents in a survey underestimated home improvements and their costs. So make sure you've done your homework and you know what the typical improvements will cost, such as painting, landscaping, etc., or get an estimate before you put ink to paper. And in addition, make sure you understand putting money aside for repairs, such as appliances or something breaks and you really need to replace it. So now, what is the answer to the question on should should you purchase a home? Well, that really depends if you must move due to a job, outgrowing a house, or maybe you save money for a down payment or other personal reasons. Well, I will say that if you are in these categories, then yes, it is the time to buy, because once the interest rates come down, there are many buyers sitting on the fence, and you will be in another competition for properties because of the lower interest rate and lower inventory at that time. Builders have also slowed down production, which is placing more pressure on existing homes. In fact, we are still seeing multiple offers on good properties. So if you can afford to purchase now, it really is a good time. You can refinance later when the interest rates come down. And sellers, I will encourage you to find another property first before placing yours on the market. If you need the money out of your house to purchase, there are actually programs out there to help you do that. So just call your realtor and ask how this can work. So if you're thinking or buying or selling real estate, I would like to hear what you're doing and if you have any questions that I can help you with. So please comment below. Don't forget to subscribe, and let's watch this video on property taxes in Florida. Until next time, see you later.